Yo, if you can edit a Word document, you can edit video. It can be that simple using a new app that I found called Descript. This has been my secret to releasing multiple videos a week with no editor, just solo mio, just making videos by myself. So let me show you how it works. I'm working on my new vlog today, so I'm going to just open up a new project. It's a video. It takes a minute to load. I'm going to upload a file, and I keep mine in a vlog folder here. It's the newest video. And what it's doing right now is it is uploading this video to, I guess, the cloud. And what it's doing right now is it's transcribing it. So check a look at this right here. It is transcribing the video. I'm going to rename this. I can't remember where I was going with this, but the cool thing is it's going to transcribe it. And while it's transcribing, I don't have to watch the whole thing. You know, the worst part about editing is, you have to watch the whole video over and over and over, like at least 2 times to get an idea of what it is. And then you're looking at your timeline and you're like, oh gosh, where's the part that I wanted to find? How can I get to it? And well, here's the timeline. YouTube location. But in real time, it is uploading it. We got to deal with my slow internet right now, but it is uploading it. And then while it's uploading, it's transcribing it, which is the bomb. By the way, while we're at it, I'm going to turn on studio sound. I'm going to set it to about 60%. I find that when I set it to a higher number, it does make your voice sound a little bit mechanical. The AI isn't perfect when you turn it up all the way, but when you turn it up part way, it has a really nice effect. So I'm going to cue that up already. So it does take a minute to happen, but when it happens, it is gorgeous. All right, is it transcribed? Hey, there it is, real time. If you want to do well on YouTube, location doesn't matter. Oh, right. That's what I was calling this. It's not untitled. Location doesn't matter. All right. So there we go. Title of the video is location doesn't matter. Now, what happens in this first second of the video, you can tell there's a blank because there's that spot right there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just delete that spot. See, now that silence is gone.
If you want to do well on YouTube, location doesn't matter.
Sweet. Now,
good.
See, anytime there's a pause, I can just see it visibly, and I can just triple click, double click, delete.
Do good. The videos I shoot at home.
And did it cut off too much? Like, hold on, undo. You can also just see it too, which is nice. You can see the gap. Well, I'll just delete it again, and then I'll just pull a little bit of it back out.
Videos do good. The videos I shoot at home. It pisses me off to no extent too.
Okay, cool. I'm just gonna go through it real quick.
If you want to do well on YouTube, something. And yes, this is where.
And one thing that's really cool is I'm not using it right now, but if you go to Underlord, this is where the AI tools are. You can shorten word gaps. If it's a gap of more than a second, it shortens it to 0.7 seconds. No joke. Shorten it all. It shortened 37 word gaps? Yo. It was just like that.
If you want to do well on YouTube.
So where are these word gaps? You can just take a look around.
ADHD. But that being said.
See, it just cut it just a little touch right there.
If you can't yell about it, should you be making a video? You don't got to be a yelling kind of person, but it should bring out that kind of feeling, that kind of emotion.
See, the gaps that are left are shorter than a second, so they don't need to be shortened. But if it's a little bit longer, it does make that cut for us, and it's super nice.
Listen, this is going to do better than the Costa Rica video. I'm looking at that video on my YouTube, and I'm like, yo, how many views that bad boy got?
It's so cool how it just shortened all that. By the way, if I undo it, how many seconds did we just shave off? It was 8:43 before. Control Y. Wait, how do I undo the undo? Redo. Shift. I don't even know my hotkeys. See, 30 seconds just There were that many gaps? Was it 30 seconds? Wait, hold on. Do it again. Yeah, it was 30 seconds. Holy smokes. And it was just like that. Now it is adding studio sound, applying it to it. It's re-uploading, but that basically is the whole process. That's my entire video making process. I just edited 9 minutes of video in how long? 5 minutes and 23 seconds. So if you're interested in getting Descript, this is seriously my new favorite editor. Now, what are the limitations? You can't really color grade. If you're a video nerd and you really want to dial in the color, the brightness, things like that, yeah, that's going to be better done in another app. And you might want to get another app and have it handy for after this. So what you do when you finish the video, I'm finished already, that's wild. You hit publish and then you also hit download. But anyway, yeah, you can publish it. You can also open a share page. And when you open the share page, well, you can't see it because I don't have the thing set up to share that way, but it will share a shareable website, like a web page that you can share with someone else, like say a collaborator or someone you want to show the rough cuts to. You can copy the link to that page too to someone else. You can even just export the transcript, which is actually my next step. I'm going to just copy it to my my clipboard rather than exporting it completely. But when you do that, you can just take that, throw it into ChatGPT and have ChatGPT write the description, or hold on, Underlord can also, I believe it can write a YouTube description for you. Let's see how it does. And you can throw in an example here with custom instructions, but let's just see what the default is. Default. Wow. And it even does the time script, the timestamps, which is key for YouTube SEO. Guys, this is wild. How good this is. Copied, ready to paste that into YouTube. Sick. Now, if you weren't making eye contact, my trick is I just wear sunglasses, so you can't tell when I'm not making eye contact, but it will move your eyes. I find it doesn't work well with me in glasses, so I quit trying to get it to do that. It can generate images. It does a decent job creating clips. So let's say I want to repurpose some stuff. I want to make 5 clips. Anything that starts with a great hook and has a takeaway, that's my prompt. And it is going to town. And this just happens. This is all in the membership, by the way. That is, if you're paying month by month, it's $19 a month. If you pay a whole year up front, it's a little cheaper, like $15, I believe. But guys, this is so worth it. Because speed equals skill. What do I mean by speed equals skill? The faster you can get completed videos out and ship them, like push publish and launch it on YouTube, the faster you can just do that, repeat, shoot, edit, publish, repeat, shoot, edit, publish. That leads to skill and familiarity where it becomes like riding a bike. It's like tying your shoes, which was a big pain for my toddler, but now as a 43-year-old, it's not so much a pain. Just kind of instinctively and tie the shoe. That's the way editing and the video making process becomes. Not just the editing, but the whole process. When you can shoot, edit, publish, repeat over and over and over and over. I'm 43 vlogs in now, and my goodness, it's so much better than it ever was. So, if you're interested in Descript, check the link in description. I've got a free trial just for you, my loyal viewers. Check it out. Let's go. And this really is the hack of hacks for especially talking head videos. I didn't even tell you about, geez, what are these other features? Center the active speaker in the middle of the frame. That's a cool one. Remove the filler words. Remove the retakes. I'm pretty good at one-take videos now, but what I used to do when I wasn't good at that is if I missed it, if I said something and I stumbled over my words, I would just say it one more time, but try to do it better. And I keep doing that until I finally get it right. Sometimes I get it on the second try. Sometimes I get it on the 5th try. As a rule, I try to land it within 3, so I know my 3rd time I'm really going for it. Well, this thing is so smart because it just looks at your transcript, figures out, oh, you said it 3 times. Let's keep the 3rd one. Figures it out. Genius. Anyway, this stuff is so amazing. what did it come up with for my highlight reels? Be the shark, dominate your craft. This is wild. Look, let me close this for a second so you can see. It just went straight to a part where it could be a good video. Like, seriously, I mean, there's other apps that do just this piece, but for almost the price of that, you could have the whole editing suite with Descript. Totally worth it. Totally worth at least a try, because look how simple this was. Anyway, link in description, affiliate link. Thanks for supporting me, but seriously, do yourself a favor. Give this a try. If it works for you, you will absolutely love it. Thank me later. Peace.